Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft on laptop and PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Minecraft. As you can see, this will take you to their official website. From here, you should click on games and click on Minecraft, and this will take you to this place. So click on dig deeper and this will take you all the way down to the platforms and features. In our case, you would like to get the Minecraft on Windows. So I'm gonna click right here and click on buy now. As you might not know, Minecraft is a paid game, so you will need to get it and buy it for yourself. There is two type of games. You can either get the Minecraft Deluxe PC Collection or Standard PC Edition, or you can even get it through the Game Pass. In my case, I would go with the simple standard PC edition and then click in here and then go to checkouts. So for those who doesn't have an account, you need to sign in either with your Microsoft account or to simply sign up. It's very easy since Microsoft has already owns Minecraft, so it's very simple using the Microsoft account. So let's click again here, or simply I'm gonna sign up and simply do the process, which is signing up using email, password, etc. Once you have gone through this, you will give yourself a name. So let's give ourselves a name, which is, for example, something like that. And there we go. And here, this name is already taken, so you can add here like an X, 0. Okay, something like so can work. The game tag didn't work, try another one. Okay. Um, Something like that. Okay, this one works. So save and continue. And once we save and continue, we will get into the Minecraft page where we are going to be taken to the checkout. Now, once you get to the checkout, you have to fulfill your informations like your credit card, etc. so you can actually buy the game. Now, once you have everything set up and you have bought the game, go to downloads, and from there you can download Minecraft on PC by clicking on this link down below, and this will give you this download link where you can install it. So let's open the Minecraft installer, and this should give you this. Now, before installing this version of Minecraft Launcher, be sure you are logged in Windows Store by clicking in the link below. So let's click on Microsoft Store, and as you can see, I am logged into it with the same account. So let me just click in here and click choose you have added this app. Let's click on out, and there we go. So now I have read and accept and click on install, and now they will be checking for connection and Windows updating, and simply after that they will start installing the launcher for us and Minecraft should be downloaded. So let's wait until it is finished and be right back. Now, as you can see, guys, now once it is installed, they will ask you to connect your account. So for example, here I'm going to go with this account, click on continue, and after that we will be in the Minecraft. In case you have this account, click with it, let's go. And as you can see, provide that, let's say let's go as well. And now the packaging, verify you are signed in, a subscription, you own the game or not. So here, if you own the game, they will take you exactly to the Minecraft launcher so you can start playing. In case you don't have it, you will find this message. So make sure to buy it, and this message should go off. I don't buy it. I don't have Minecraft official game at the moment. This is why this is an error for me. So that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.